Hello, friends. I'm C. Paul Singh, President Nissmat, speaking to you. In the recent past, we have seen an eruption of communal violence in many states of India. Communal riots or communal violence pose a great danger to any polity, any society, anywhere in the world. We have witnessed in India events where religious arguments become communal arguments and then lead to communalization of the entire thought process. There's also an alarming development in dealing with the communal rights. Earlier, as and when communal rights occurred anywhere, in most of the cases, the government institutions like police and the district administration followed the principle of maintaining neutrality. Cases like riots of 84 in Delhi or riots of 2002 in Gujarat. Unfortunately, now a trend is emerging where government agencies at times encourage the development of a criminal situation or look away at the flaring up of communal situation. This way of dealing with communal situation by the police or district administration is a very dangerous development. It is indeed a very dangerous trend and a very dangerous way forward for the society at large. We must try to check this rapidly growing and rapidly eroding religious neutrality of the state agencies. Gandhiji version of modern state provides an antidote to the state-sponsored or state-supported or administrative-supported violence. Mahatma advocated creation of Ram Raj when he addressed the Hindu audience. He advocated the creation of Khuda Raj for Muslim groups and the kingdom of God for the Christian audience. India is a land of diversity. The guiding principle should be to have unity in diversity. There's need for collective effort by all of us to get rid of the problem of communalism and create an atmosphere of stability. If all of us take a vow to maintain communal harmony, the dream of the father of a nation can be perhaps realized. According to the scriptures contained in Guru Granth Sahib of the Sikh religion, every human being, in every human being, there dwells an all-pervasive spirit called God, Parbrahm, Allah, Ram, or Vaheguru. It says, Ek Pita, Ekas ke hum barak. This forges common bonds without discrimination of any caste, creed, and religion. Such a spirit of universality is the dire need of India today. Thank you.